Hello, everybody. Hello, welcome to Visual Communication in the Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. So excited to see everyone. We're almost toward the end. Taking a look at the schedule to see if I need to switch the last day of class to Monday, so that way you guys have time looking at the lecture. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Let's get into it. See what's going on. And this week we're going to talk about emotional communication and persuasive communication, the fourth response type, where we're going to see a lot that's tied to persuasive communication with emotional responses and how that works. We've talked about technical, we've talked about sensory, and we've talked about perceptual. Now we're moving to emotional, along with persuasive communication. So let's take a look and see what we got today. So this week, the goal is really persuasion this week and emotional responses. And really overall, we need to understand what persuasive visuals really work with. And the goal of persuasion is to convince or deter someone of some group to a certain choice. And there's a lot of different people that do that. There's like politicians, businesses, doctors, lawyers, teachers, pretty much anyone that wants to help people decide a choice, and that's really how they want to go about that. Other than that, that's persuasive can be dealt with a lot of different elements, and with persuasive techniques, visuals have been created to really convince people of certain elements, and that's what we're going to be focusing on this week. We're going to take a look at a lot of different elements of persuasive and emotional communication, along with persuasive communication as a whole, emotional triggers. We're also going to talk about social media and persuasion and how those elements tie together, and how people can sometimes abuse social media, but we'll get more into that with ethical responses, which is next week, and then also visual techniques. We'll talk about that as well. Other than that, that's all I got. Hope everybody has a great week. Do keep in mind you have our discussion post due on Tuesday. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week. Lecture has been posted on the announcements, the link, along with the announcements themselves and the rubric. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Take it easy. Hope everybody has a great week. See you for Tuesday. Bye-bye.